Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all are fine. Dear students, you have studied about linear equation in one variable in class 9th. For this year, you are going to learn pair of linear equation in two variables. This is your third chapter in 10th class. Let us recall definition of linear equation. Students, here linear equations means, tell me what do you mean by linear equation? Linear equation is a linear equation. See the definition. It is an algebraic equation in which each term has an exponent of 1. What you understood by this? See, it is an algebraic equation that you can, in which each term is ax plus ba, ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. These are all what? Algebraic equation, and each term has exponent 1. Each term, this is a term, yes, and each term has what here? Exponent 1. So by this we can say linear equation, the term contains highest degree 1, then that term it is called, or that equation we call as a linear equation. Then coming to chapter name, linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable means the variables, two variables. In this, what is variable? X is a variable. How many variables here? Only one. In this equation, one variable. Here a and b what is? Constant terms. Constant terms. Here x is a variable. So how many variables here? One. Here 1, 2. Two variables. We can say this linear equation in two variable? Yes. Why? Because first condition, it should contains degree, highest degree 1. Here also 1. And how many variables? Two variables, x and y. And a, b, c are what here? Constant terms. What about this? Linear equation. This is a linear equation. Why? Because it has highest degree 1. And in three variables. Why? X, y, z. These are three variables. Okay. Next, a, b, c are what here? Constant terms. Let us see general form of linear equation in two variable. Ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a comma b comma c are what here? Real numbers, and another condition, a comma b does not equals to 0. The equation should satisfy this. A, b, c should contain real numbers, and a, b should not equals to 0. Now the chapter telling that pair of linear equation in two variables. Pair means what is? Two linear equations. Two linear equation in two variables. This is one equation, a1x plus b1y plus c1 equals to 0. This is one equation. a2x plus b2y plus c equals to 0. This is second equation, means pair of linear equation. This is linear equation and this is also linear equation, and these two equation contains two variables. And pair of linear equation is equation first and equation 2. And here condition, it should satisfy a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 are real numbers. It should be always real numbers, and a1, b1, a2, b2 should not equals to 0. These are the two conditions. These two equation should satisfy. Then only we say the linear equation in two variables. Understood? Next, let's see. To find solution of pair of linear equation in two variables, there are two methods. First method is graphical method and another one is algebraic method. Students, here graphical method means we want here points, x and y points. Algebraic method, finding the equation and taking the points from that. Hence, these are the two methods to find the solution of a given pair of linear equation. Let's start exercise 3.1. See first question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, there 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Students, from the question, we can see, let the present age of the Aftab be x. Here Aftab is not father. Let the present age of Aftab be x, because in this question they are not mentioned his present age. So let present age will be x, and his age is compared to his daughter, and here also daughter age also not given. Let the daughter age, let present daughter age will be y. Let the present age of Aftab be x and the present age of his daughter be y. And they have given two situations. The first situation in past tense, 7 years ago. 7 years ago, the father is telling to, here I was 7 times, means here father is telling to his daughter that I was 7 times as old as you, where then means in 7 years ago, 7 years back, 7 years ago, age of Aftab equals to what here? X minus 7. Age of his daughter y minus 7. According to question, when father size and the daughter size equal, father size equals to 7 times of daughter's age, 7 times of daughter's age, 7 times as old as you were then, means is compared to present age. Okay, 7 years ago, 7 times into 7 years ago. Understood? And the equation reduces x minus 7. This is become LHS part, and 7 into y is 7y. Plus into minus, minus. 7 sevens are 49. And the equation reduces to x minus, and this RHS part taking to the LHS part, that is minus 7y. Minus 7 plus 49. X minus this minus 7y plus 49 equals to 0. Minus 7 plus 49 reduces to plus 42. That this is the first algebraic representation. They told the situation write in algebraic and graphically. The first situation reduced to this. This is first type of algebraic representation. And second situation you see, 3 years from means 3 years after, here future tense. 3 years after, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be, means his father, her father is comparing to his age after 3 years. After 3 years, 3 years after, age of Aftab will be x plus 3, age of his daughter will be y plus 3. Why? Because present age compared after 3 years. X plus 3 means present age compared after 3 years. So x plus 3, y plus 3. According to the question, when they become equal, when father age is equals to 3 times of his daughter age after 3 years. So x plus 3 equals to 3 of y plus 3. X plus 3, 3 into y, 3y, plus into plus 3 3 is 9. Here x minus, when x plus 3, when RHS part taken into LHS part, that is minus 3y minus 9 equals to 0. So x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9, that is 6 equals to 6. Therefore, or you can write minus 6 equals to 0. This is second graphical representation, algebraic representation for second situation. Which are the two algebraic representation from the question? X minus 7y plus 42 equals to 0 and x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. These are the two algebraic representation for two situations. Now we have to show in graphical method. To plot a graph, what is needed? We need a x and y points. By the help of these algebraic equations, we have to take up points and plot a graph. Next step, graphical method. See, the first algebraic equation is x minus 7y plus 42 and second algebraic equation is x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. X equals to, now we want x and y coordinate points, is it? To plot a graph, what is needed? X and y. Take a table, find at least 3 coordinate points and you can take the values of y, value of y or value of x as your convenient. I took here y points. I substituted y point and find out the x points. So first you see x, I took this minus y plus 42 to the RHS part. X equals to 7y minus 42. Next, now I substitute y is equals to 5. Then what we get? X value. Let's see. I took y 5 means y equal to 5 means here when I take 1, y 1, 7 on the 7 minus 42, it will get minus 35. So according to graph convenient, I took larger numbers and I can draw easily in graph. I can easily plot in graph. When it will be minus, try to take large numbers. When it will be plus, try to take lesser numbers. Okay, it will be easy to plot in a graph. I substituting y equal to 5, that is y equal to 5, 7 into 5 minus 42, 7 5s are 35 minus 42. The answer will be what here? Minus 7. When y is equals to 5, x equals to what here? Minus 7. Okay. Next, x equals to 7 into 6. I am considering x, y is equals to any random numbers also you can take. I took 5, 6, 7 here as your wish. You can take x 7 into 6 minus 42. 7 6 are 42 minus 42. 42 minus 42, it is 0. Next, x equals to, I am substituting now in the place of y 7. 7 minus 42. 7 7s are 49. 49 minus 42, it is how much? 7. Okay. X equals to 7. When I took y equals to 6, the x value is 0. When I took y is equals to 7, x value is again 7. And here x value is minus 7. When y is equals to 5, x we got minus 7. When y equals to 6, x we got 0. When y equals to 7, x we got 7. Okay. Next, Next equation, x minus 3y minus 6, and I am taking this whole part to the RHS, leaving x and whole part I am taking to the RHS part, that is minus 3y reduced to plus 3y and minus 6 reduced to plus 6. Now I will take y equals to 0, next y equals to 1 minus 1 else, and y equals to minus 3 I will take. Okay, substitute now values in this equation. X, this implies x equals to 3, y equals to 0. In the place of y substitute 0 plus 6. 3 into 0, 0 plus 6. 0 plus 6 is 6. X equals to 6. Next, x equals to 3, where y equals to, I am substituting now, minus 1 plus 6, minus 3 plus 6. 3 ones are 3, plus into minus, minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6, that is x equals to what here? 3. Next, x equals to, I am substituting now, x in the place of y, minus 3 plus 6. 3 3s are 9, plus into minus, minus 9 plus 6. Minus 9 plus 6 it is minus 3. X equals to what we got? Minus 3. Now plot table, that is x and y coordinate points. X, when y equals to 0, x equals to 6. When y equals to minus 1, x equals to 3. When y equals to minus 3 and x equals to minus 3, I got. And plots these two graphs points in graph paper and see how the equation represent. Now see graphical representation according to the points. The first equation points are minus 7 and 5. When x equals to minus 7 and y we have 5. When x equals to, x means positive number, minus 7, it is a negative number, minus 7, and y point we have 5. When x equals to minus 7, y equal to 5. Yes. Next, represent here the coordinate points. Next, when x equals to 0, y equals to 6. When x equals to 0 is here and y we have point 6. So 0 comma 6. Next, when x equals to 7, y equals to 7. When x equals to 7, y equals to what here? 7. From the first equation, these are the 3 coordinate points, and join these 3 points and mark the points here. Okay. Next, go with next equation points. When x equals to 6, y equals to what here? 0. When x equals to 6, y equals to 0. This is first coordinate point from the second equation. And when x equals to 3, y equals to what here? Minus 1. When x equals to 3, y equals to minus 1. And when x equals to minus 3, y equals to minus 3. X equals to minus 3 and y equals to what here? Minus 3. This is second equation, coordinate points, and join these points. Students, and these are the representation of 2 equation. And compulsory you have to mention scale reading and coordinate axis. And this is about solution for first question. First method is algebraic representation, and second we have to show in graphical method. This is a solution for first question. See next question. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3900. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls of a same kind for rupees 1300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Students, in this question also they have given two situations. The first situation, she buys first time 3 bats and 6 balls for 3900. Yes, here according to question they not given the price of bat and ball. So let us take the cost of bat is x and the cost of ball be y. Let the cost of bat be rupees x and the cost of ball be rupees y. According to the question, the algebraic represents the equation, that is according to first situation 3x plus 6y equals to 3900. We can reduce this equation. In LHS part, what is common? 3 is common. 3 x plus 2y equals to 3900. When 3 goes to the RHS part, it gets what here? Divide. 3 ones are 3, 1300s. Okay, 13 3s are 39. So 1300 x plus 2y equals to 1300. Equation first. Okay, now read second situation. She buys another bat and 3 more balls for same kind for rupees 1300. Now second situation means nothing but second algebraic represent. Algebraic equation represent that is she buys another ball and we don't know cost of that bat. Next another bat, 3 more balls, 3y equals to 1300, and this will be a second graphical representation of given question. Next, what to do now? We have to plot a graphical method, or geometrical is nothing but graphical method. Okay, take first question, that is x plus 2y equals to 1300. Now I am sending this plus 2y to the RHS part. It is what here? Minus 2y. Next second equation, x plus 3y equals to 1300, and I am sending 3y to the RHS part. It reduces to 1300 minus 3y. Now we have to take y values and find out the x value. Here 1300 is there. Don't put 1 0 because two numbers. When 2 into 0, 0. 13 minus 0, 0 it will come. So take down now y equals to highest. When it will be minus, take highest degree, highest number. That is y equal to 500 I will take. Okay, 500. Let's see what x value will get. X equals to 1300 minus 2 into 500. 1300. 2 into 500 how much? 1000. Why 2 certain? 2 zeros. 1300 minus 1000, it is 300. Now I will take y equals to 600. X equals to 1300 minus 2 into 600. Okay, 1300 minus 1200. We get what here? 100. Next, y equal to 700. I will take 700. Now what I get? 1300 minus 2 into 700. That is 1300. 7 2s are 1400. 1300 minus 1400 minus 100. The points for this equation, x plus 2y equals to 1300. Draw a table and mark x and y points, x and y. When y equals to 500, x we got 300. When y equals to 600, we got x equals to 100. When y equals to 700, x we got minus 100. Okay, and go for next equation, that is x plus 3y equals to 1300. Now same I will take now points, y equals to 500. Then see for this equation what we get, x equals to x 1300 minus 3 into 500. Okay, 1300 minus 5 3s are 1500. 1300 minus 1500 minus 200. Okay, next I will take a y equals to 600. Any number you can take, but convenient to graph you take numbers. See, all are lying in same minus 100, 300, within that only they are. So I am taking 500, 600. So, and x equals to 1300 minus 3 into 600. X equals to 1300. 3 6 how much? Minus 1800. 1300 minus minus 500. Next, y is equals to 700. X equals to what we get? 1300. 1300 minus 3 into 700, that is 1300 minus 2100 minus 800. Now plot the table and x and y coordinate points. When x equals to minus 200, when x equals to, so when y equals to 500, x what we got? Minus 200. When y equals to 600, y we got minus 500. When y equals to 700, we got minus 800. These are the points to draw to plot a graph. See, this is graphical representation for second question, that is x plus 2y equals to 1300 and x plus 3y equals to 1300. The coordinate points are x 300, 100, minus 100. Y coordinates are 500, 600, 700. For equation first, when x 300 is equals to 500, when x 100 is equals to 600, when x minus 100 is equals to 700. These are the 3 points. So join that points and mark the coordinate points. When x, this is 300 comma 500, and here 100, 600, minus 100, 700. Second equation coordinates takes x minus and minus 200, minus 500, minus 800, and y coordinates takes y equal to 500, 600, 700. Okay, let us plot the points. When x is minus 200 and x is minus 200, y is what here? 500. Y is 500. When x is minus 500 and y is what here? 600. When x is minus 500, y is 600. Next, when x is minus 800, y is what here? 700. That is first one, minus 200 comma 500 and minus 500 comma 600, and here minus 800 comma 700. These are the pair of linear equation in graphical form. This is about second solution. The next equation is the cost of 2 kg of apples and 1 kg of grapes on a day was found to be 160 rupees. After the month, the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg grapes is 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Students, here they have given the 2 kg apples and 1 kg grapes. Total cost how much rupees? 160. So by this we can understand they not given the cost of 1 kg. Per kg they not given. Let us take the cost of 1 kg of apple be x and the cost of 1 kg of grapes be y. And the equation that is to what here? 2x plus 1y plus equals to what here? 160 rupees. And another situation they have given, after a month he found that the cost of 4 kg apples and 2 kg of grapes equals to what here? 300 rupees. So 4x plus 2y equals to 300. These are the two equations. 2x plus y equals to 160 rupees and 4x plus 2y equals to 300. Here x means what here? The cost of 1 kg of apples, and y means the cost of 1 kg of grapes. And these two are the algebraic representation of two situations from the question. Now we have to plot this solution equation in graphically. Consider first equation, that is 2x plus y equals to 160. Now I want x value, so I will keep 2 is equals to 160 minus y, and x is equals to what here? 160 minus y divided by 2. Next, see, substituting y equals to 50, x equals to what it gets? 160 minus 50 divided by 2, that is 110 divided by 2. 2 ones are 255. X equals to what here? 55. Next, y is equals to 60 and x equals to what here? 160 minus 60, that is divided by 2, and 100 minus 2, that is 2 ones are 250. X equals to what here? 50. Next, y equals to 70. Then x equals to x equals to 160 minus 70 divided by 2, and 160 minus 90, that is 90, divided by 2. 2 ones are 245, that is 45. X equals to what we got? 45. We have to plot a graph, that is x equals to, when y is 50 we got x equals to 55. When y is 60 and x equals to what? 50. When y is 70 and x equals to 45. And take another equation, that is 4x plus 2y equals to 300. 4x equals to 300 minus 2y. X is equals to what here? 300 minus 2y divided by 4. Then substitute y equals to 50. Then x becomes what here? 300 minus 2 into 50, where y is equals to, I am going to substitute 50 here, divided by 4. 300 minus 5 2s are 10 means 100. 52 is how much? 100 divided by 4. 300 minus 100, it is 200. 200 divided by 4. 4 ones are 450 is 50. Next, x is equals, then next substitute y is equals to 60. Y is equals to 60. X equals to 300 minus 2 into 60 divided by 4. 300 minus 6 2s are 12, 120 divided by 4. 300 minus 120, it is 0. 180 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. X is equals to what here? 45. Next, y is equals to 70. Then x is equals to 300 minus 2 into 70 divided by 4. Next, 300 minus 7 2s are 40, means 140 minus 4. 300 means here 160 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4, 40s are, it is 40. Next, writing graphical method, that is x coordinate and y coordinate points. When x is 50, we got, when y is 50, we got x equals to 50. And when x is 6, y is 60 and x equals to 45. When y is 70, x we got 40. These are the coordinate points to plot a graph. Okay, next, xy, that is 50. This, according to equation, the x coordinates are 55, 50, 45 and y coordinates are 50, 60, 70. And for this equation, x coordinates are 50, 45, 40 and y coordinates are 50, 60 and 70. Now plot the points. When x is 55, here it is 50, here 50, 60. Scale reading is the x-axis is equals to 1 unit, 1 is equals to 10 centimeter, and here y-axis is equals to 1 unit, 1 equals to what here? 10 centimeter. Now 55, when x is 55, y is 50. When x is 55, y is 50. When x is 50, y is 60. When x is, y is 60. Then when x is 45, when x is 45, y is 70. I am drawing these points and mark the coordinate points, that is 55, 50, here 50, 60 and 45, 70. This is first equation, the representation, and go with second equation. When x is 50, y is 50. When x is 50, y is 50. Next, when x is 45, y is 60. When x is 45, y is 60. It is 60. When x is 40, y is 70. When x is 40, y is 70. These are the lines, and mark here 50, 50 and 45, 60 and 40, 70. These are the coordinate points for this equation. Dear students, this is about all. Exercise first. Go through this. Thank you.